So we are drawing a painting with lots of fishes. Okay, we have learned how to draw fishes, but today we are learning how to draw them in Gauss painting. So Gauss painting is full of dashes and dots.
Only dots and dashes.
You know what? Aboriginals of Australia, they make the paintings full of dots. And this is our Indian dot painting. We have attended some dot painting sessions also. If you remember, long time back I did for children, and now I will do again one session for you all. See, make an eye, make a circle and show an eye. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fishes I have made. Now I'm going to show you here. Look at on the paper, children, how we are making the fishes. See here. Yes, who was telling me something?
Ma'am, do we have to draw the lines, the double lines in the tail part of the fish also, the tail fins?
No, no double line in Gond art. Double line is needed in Madhubani art.
No, double line as in those two lines which we draw in between.
Yeah, that we have to draw. See the eye, circle, and this. And then here, so this is our one fish. We can draw.
Ma'am, can you just show the one with the blue background?
I'm drawing same thing here for all of you so that you can see on white paper easily.
Yes, ma'am, but I just want to see that.
Wait. Now wait for others. And this is the mouth, eye, and show the neck portion. Okay, now here, again show a circle and this portion. This is your fish. So one fish may be going this side.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Last class I remember that you told us that you remind for teaching the border, U border.
Yeah, but right now, after the class, I will teach you.
Okay. Ma'am, can I color the background later on?
No need to color the background. Okay, in Gond art, we can leave the background white. Now, another fish here.
Ma'am, can you show the fin of the big fish?
See the eye, circle, and this.
Blue.
What?
Ma'am, can I do the background blue?
You can, no problem. All those who want to do background, please, you can do, but it's not compulsory. Okay, it's not compulsory, children. In Gond art, background is not compulsory. In Madhubani and all other arts, it's compulsory. Again, a circle and this. Okay, so I have drawn right now only 6. and you can draw as many as you want. You can fill your full page with the fishes.
Ma'am, can you just show the canvas drawing for a minute?
It is same, exactly same. Let others see this first because many of them are drawing with this. It is same beta, no difference. In this, every fin will have line.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the little fins which you are drawing now, ma'am,
yes.
it is not there in the canvas painting, no, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to draw there. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to draw little fins here.
And can I draw a little like lesser fishes because it's becoming too crowded and fins have no place.
Yes, you can. All of you have right to modify your painting. Okay, like see here it is coming too crowded for me also. So I have erased this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I just joined because I had some work. So can you tell me what happened?
Nothing happened. We are drawing fishes. Okay, nothing great. We are drawing fishes in Gond art. Okay, and in Gond art, we don't have to draw double line like Madhubani. It has to be simple one line. And in Gond art, normally plants come out from the animal's body. Okay, but today we are drawing only fishes. I am teaching you one by one, step by step. So first you learn how to draw the animals and then you will learn animals and plants together. Okay? So
Okay,
we have
ma'am.
done
So
only
first,
this much. Only
can I
this
draw
much.
1 centimeter border?
Yes, 1 centimeter border. And thanks for reminding me. I was about to see we can draw this cross border.
Ma'am, can you show us how to draw the mama fish's fins, the bigger ones?
The bigger one is starting from here,
A
going,
flat U.
going here, going. It's quite big, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
is these many small? I have made only 9 small fishes. Is that okay?
Ma'am, is this
yes,
drawing okay?
yes, okay. It's your wish. How many fishes you want to make?
Ma'am, it's getting a bit crowded. That's why I've only drawn 4 fishes.
It's your wish, okay? It's purely your wish, what you want to do. I'm just suggesting you, I'm giving you idea. Now, how you implement it, that's your wish, your imagination. I want you to have your creativity.
Miss, actually, I don't have any space to draw the border.
I'm drawing crosses, see?
Ma'am, we won't do a design in the crosses, right?
Yes.
And first one dash, then the other dash, then one dash.
Yes. First, you can
Ma'am,
put
but
all these dashes.
ma'am, but my border is bigger than
Then
yours.
your design will be bigger.
Okay.
So you don't have to draw the border right now. There's no need. Yes, baby.
Ma'am, after completion of the fishes, then can we draw the border, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can we do our own design?
There's no need of border in this actually. Gondar don't need any border. Okay,
ma'am.
one line and other line, one line and other line. Very simple
Ma'am,
design.
can you just tilt your sheet?
I'm drawing now. How will I draw? Tell me if I tilt. I just need to do this. Now you people ask me for border, so I have drawn. So let me complete it in 1 minute. I will take 1 minute. Start counting.
Ma'am, because you're such a good artist, you have a lot of speed. I am just starting to draw and you're already done.
Okay, now see. Can you all see now?
Yes, Auntie.
So take your time and draw.
Mom, I am done where you have.
Ma'am, we are only gonna draw and we will also paint with acrylic colors.
We are going to paint now.
Ma'am, by the way, is it okay if we outline with sketch pen?
Yes, but on canvas, you cannot do with a sketch pen, dear.
I do it for paper, ma'am.
You are doing on the paper, then on paper you can do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I have done where you have stopped.
So children, if you have done drawing, can I show you one fish how to paint?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Auntie.
Children, can you
Yes,
all look here and I will show
Yes.
you the big fish and one small fish. Okay? So, I'll show you on the canvas one big fish and one small fish. We are going to use green color. We are going to use orange. Where is my
Ma'am,
orange?
light green or dark green?
This is dark green.
Okay.
This is orange. And this is my favorite yellow. I want my yellow. Okay? And we will
Ma'am,
need
we need
White.
dark orange or light orange?
any orange. We'll need this. Okay? We will need one shade of blue. We'll need white to show the lines, and we will need black. Okay?
Ma'am, you took two white.
No,
Small
one
cans of
is
white.
off white.
Oh,
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
you
I
just
don't have
remove the
white
paint
color.
bottles for a minute?
Now, children, see, if you want, you change the colors. You use your own choice color.
Ma'am, please tell once again the colors.
Okay, when I will do, you can see that is easy. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't have light blue, so can I use dark blue?
You can use any color of your choice. There is no rule. Okay?
zero number brush, right?
It's not 0, it's 2 number.
Can
But
I
as
use
zero.
acrylic colors?
Any small thin round brush you use and fill the
Okay,
color
ma'am.
in.
It will do.
Ma'am, I have 0 number.
Okay, then you
Brush.
can
Is
Ma'am,
that okay?
you
Brush
can
number
use,
0 is
This
Ma'am,
zero
I
is
don't
better.
have number 2. Can I use 0?
Yes, you can use. 0 is better.
Can I use acrylic colors? Ma'am, can I outline it with sketch pen? Black sketch pen.
No point. If you are doing on paper, then use a sketch pen. Otherwise, I'm using acrylic paints. Okay. Then in the fin, in the wing, I'm filling green color.
Ma'am, it's a fin, right? Wing.
Can I use acrylic colors?
Yes, I'm using acrylic colors. I've written in the notes. Everybody, I've written the notes. Please read the notes. I've written that we should use the acrylic paints. No poster colors. Avoid using all other colors. Now you are learning.
only poster colors.
I told your mummy, papa, whoever is in that group, so I cannot be responsible. Okay, I'm not in the favor of poster colors because they act with the water and then your painting gets spoiled.
Ma'am, you don't use them.
No, I don't use them because cost-wise they are same, but just a little drop of water and your painting is spoiled.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
don't use.
we follow your colors?
Yes, if you want, you can follow my colors.
Ma'am, can we use light green instead of dark green?
Why? You
Ma'am,
don't have dark green?
Ma'am, how many centimeters big is your fin? The big fin.
I have not measured.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
because
Vandana aunty.
Yes,
Is it okay if I use my own colors? Means like which colors I want to use?
but why you want to use right now your own colors? Right now you learn what I am doing and then you make another piece of your own colors. Because then it will be difficult for me to keep on telling you on each part we will do something colorful. Okay, and if
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
use your own colors, then it will be very difficult for me to tell you which color to apply now, which color to apply now. It will be really difficult for me. Okay, so right now you use what I am using.
Ma'am, I
Because,
have drawn only 5 fishes, ma'am.
okay, that's your wish. You decide. 5 or 6 is your wish.
Mom, I'm making it on a rough paper, so can I use poster colors?
Yes, on rough paper it's okay.
Okay, mom.
And children, there is no hurry to finish the painting right now. Take your time. We don't finish one painting in one sitting. Now you are not doing easy work. Now you are doing little tough work. So you take your time and do it slowly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you using acrylic colors?
Pardon?
Are you using acrylic colors?
Yes, you didn't hear me right now?
Ma'am, actually my internet connection is a bit low, so.
So, okay, I'm using only acrylic colors. I don't use any other colors in class. I paint in acrylic colors and in oil paint.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but oil paint takes a very long time to dry, no, ma'am.
Yes, I make my big paintings in oil paint. And I use watercolor only for watercolor paintings. After doing 2-3 rounds of this, when you get mastery in this, then I will start watercolor paintings for you. We will learn to make flowers and landscape in watercolor.
Ma'am, is that orange or red?
Orange. Make sure, children, your color is not going out. Do it very slowly, extremely slowly. No hurry at all. There's no hurry. Relax. Every time we have to wash the brush and wipe it. Okay? It's very important to wash the brush and wipe it.
Ma'am,
Yes?
is it okay if I don't draw the baby
Ma'am,
fish?
if it is poster color, it is meant to wipe it, no, ma'am?
I don't want you to use poster colors, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it okay if I don't draw the baby fish?
Why?
No, I have not drawn. That's why I'm doing the painting. Yeah.
So you draw later on. There's no hurry. Okay? Take your time. There's no hurry.
Ma'am, we are making a series of gaunt paintings.
Yes. We will get mastery over the gone painting. Then we will switch over to some other style of art.
Yes, ma'am. I remember 1 or 2 months you made us do only flowers.
Yes. Okay, now I have to rotate it because color is coming to my hand if I am moving it in this direction. First, let's cover the body.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first can we do it in rough and then color it, ma'am?
First you draw the fish, then you color, and now after coloring these, we have to do the dot and dashes work on it. Okay, so we'll have to give some time to dry, and if it is not drying, I will dry it with hair dryer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tilt it? I can't just draw it.
Is this okay? Now I need to make light green color. So I will make light green color. We need little bit of light green color.
Ma'am, can I use parrot green?
I'm making parrot green only. See, I am making parrot green. Children, make sure your color is not very thin or very thick. Okay, both are not good. If it is very thick, then also it's a problem. If it is very thin, then also it's a problem. Here also you do alternate. And we have to wait for this to get dry. Okay, so we are now see, we are making a light green color, very, very light green. See, I have mixed yellow and dark green, and this color is ready now. So I'm using this color here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to ask something, ma'am. I could not. The poster colors are not good, right, ma'am?
No, they are good, but the problem with poster colors is that if you touch with water, by mistake, one drop of water is there, or if you want to do shading on the top of other one, then they get reactivated again.
Oh, okay.
And then you cannot do the, like your color will
They will
change.
mix into another color, ma'am.
Yes, they will become some other color, what you don't want. They are not bad. I'm not saying they are bad.
Ma'am, then can we use watercolor?
Same problem with watercolors, no?
Oh, is it? Okay then.
When you are working on paper or canvas, it's better that you switch over to acrylic paints.
Oh, is it? 1 minute. Let me
Ma'am?
check, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you tell which color did you mix for that fins in that?
I mix this dark green and yellow. Any
Okay,
yellow.
ma'am. Thank
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I don't have white color actually.
No need. Any light color will work.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next step. My face part is dry, so I'm going to take a very, very thin brush. Thinnest one I have is this. This is 00. Okay, I am going to use only the tip. See, color is only on the tip, nowhere else. And I will make this design. Remember last time also in peacock we made?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Very less color. Take very less color.
I have made a different border, so is it okay?
Yes. It's okay.
Ma'am, from which color have you done this?
I've done with very light green, which I made just now, parrot green. You can use any other green. See, very thin lines.
Ma'am, can we use white on sketch
Uh,
pens?
no, you are doing on the paper?
What shall we mix to make parrot green?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm doing on paper with sketch pens, ma'am. Can I use white in that place of that parrot green?
No, white will not look nice. I'm telling you, because we will fill white here. We are going to do work with white. Try to use any other light color. Which
Yellow,
will
ma'am?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yellow. You can use yellow. Yes, dear.
what shall we? What two colors shall we mix to make parrot green?
Yellow and 1 drop of green.
Ma'am, dark green.
Yes, dark green and yellow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we make light blue by adding white and
Dark blue. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, but
my uncle has some work in this laptop, ma'am. So can I leave the meeting?
yes, please. When you're drawing the line, hold your breath and count till 10, and in the meantime, you draw the line. Okay? Hold your breath, count till 10, and draw your line. That's the way to draw a line. Again, take very less paint, children. Very, very less paint. Don't waste the paint. So what I'm doing, holding my breath.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Instead of light green, can I take light pink
No. Who is this intelligent
or
character?
yellow?
Why? Why can't you take green only?
Because my green is not coming above the, it's not being seen.
Then you mix more yellow. Make it very, very light. Okay? One, two, three. Okay? Again. One.
I've not started painting, but I'm doing the outline from the micro tip pen. Is that fine?
It's okay. Are you doing on the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
On the paper, it's okay, but not on the canvas. Now, I want all of you to learn to paint on the canvas with proper paints. We have to switch over to canvas.
Ma'am, I had to do a second coating. Can you wait for some time?
No, I cannot wait for one person. I will continue and you can see the recorded bit.
Yes.
How to see the recorded pic?
Yes, you can see the recorded picture later. Now see here also we are doing 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3.
Auntie, can you make this dots and dashes? Because the
It's
face is get.
no, here we are doing the semicircle first. Today we are learning another stroke, that is semicircle.
Okay, Auntie.
Now, after this, we are going to use another color. We will keep this color ready with us because we are going to use it. It should not dry. So see, I have mixed some few drops, only 2-3 drops of water in it, so that it will not dry. Now, in the meantime, the gaps here.
Poster colors are same as acrylic color.
No, they are not same. Who told you this? Poster colors are different, acrylic colors are different.
Ma'am, I have a question. Sorry
Yes,
for
please.
joining late.
No.
After doing acrylic, I did the paint with waterproof camel ink on the
Yes.
previous Gondal. Then, ma'am, what I did the acrylic on it. So, in between, and that too after the ink had dried up completely. But
Yes.
still, somewhere it got stained.
I have no experience of ink, camel ink. So I cannot say anything.
And ma'am, what do you dip the nib in? In black acrylic paint itself?
Yes.
Okay. I thought it has to be dipped in ink and then we have to do the
No,
acrylic.
I know. We do on paper, we use the ink. Okay, on paper, we use the ink. I have used ink very often. For a long time, I have used the ink. It's not like that. But I have not mixed ink and acrylic paint.
Achha, okay, ink and acrylic paint together.
I have not mixed. I don't know whether we can use or not. I have no idea. Because I never mix either by ink or either by acrylic paint.
Then, ma'am, if we are using ink for that border outlining with the nib, then the in between filling of the colors we should do by what?
I think you can use acrylic paint, but try on a rough paper first. Because I have no idea. I have never used this Camlin ink also. It has started coming now in India and I am not in touch with, I have never used this ink. So I have absolutely no idea. You try, experiment on the rough paper.
Okay, actually I had tried that on 400 GSM only. Let me check. Maybe I went wrong somewhere. Let me check that what can be done. Fine, ma'am. Or else we can dip the nib in black acrylic paint, na, after diluting it.
Yes.
Okay. And dilution medium water is okay, na?
Yes.
Water goes on paper as well as on canvas.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, so this part of fish is white now. Ladies, I will finish the class at 6:30 because children are children. They cannot sit for more than 1 hour. So I will show you the pattern here and then you all can complete it later on. Okay, so now on orange color, we are doing the off-white color.
Ma'am?
Yes, darling.
Ma'am, yesterday I made a Madhubani painting from Google. Can I show it to you now?
You send me the picture, darling, okay? Because so many people are there. 53 people are there today. All will get disturbed now. Let us finish this one fast, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, off-white, there doesn't look any different between off-white and white.
Yeah, because it's dark in Singapore, so you cannot make out, but it is actually different. If you will see close by, you will find the difference. So in orange color portion, we are drawing the line with off-white.
Ma'am, I don't have off-white, so is there any way to make off-white? Like
Yes,
mixing?
there is a way you can mix a little one drop of pink and brown in the white color. You will get the off-white. Draw as thin lines as possible.
And for dots, we use toothpick.
Now next will be dots and then black outline everywhere.
And off-white is similar to peach, right?
Yes, peach also you can use.
Okay.
Yes, child.
But ma'am, in peach, the peach is little bit darker than off-white.
So mix some white color. Make it light color.
And how will we color the baby fishes?
Yeah, baby fishes are your choice. But same style. I will color one and show you right now. I think in baby fishes we can use maroon color and yellow color or maroon and off-white. Otherwise our canvas will become too much of.
How will we create maroon color?
Maroon color is dark red color.
Ma'am, we can mix red and black for maroon, no ma'am?
One drop of black. Only one drop. Otherwise paint will turn blackish. Okay. So now this work is over. I'm going to use this color little bit more here.
Ma'am, which is this color? What is this color?
This is light peach color or off-white color. So this is also done and we will wash the brush, wipe the brush. Okay, repeatedly I'm telling you children, let's give respect to the brushes. Then brushes will give us very good result. Now comes our black color and so let me do quick because time.
The parrot green you are doing. Can I do yellow color?
Then how will you put dots of yellow color on yellow color?
Ma'am, that's a point.
Ma'am, I can put some other color like red.
Okay.
Because we can also put dark.
I'm doing the outline now.
Ma'am, I have an idea. I can just use the dark green on yellow and yellow on the dark green.
It's your wish. Whatever you want, you do.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, I need to go somewhere.
Okay. Bye.
Ma'am, bye.
See the recording and complete. See, I'm using black color, children. Everywhere we have to draw the outline with black color. Okay. So last thing before I leave, because I know many of you have to go for another class, I want to show you this. See, we are doing the black color outline.
Ma'am, the people who don't have other classes, can they stay on?
Yes, why not? Yeah, those who don't have other classes, please stay. Those who have other classes can leave the class. Many of you have.
Ma'am, I did not have other class.
Very good. Then you stay with me. But I want you to do slowly. There's no hurry, children. Okay? Do it comfortably.
Okay, the painting is almost complete.
No, we have to finish the small fishes.
Oh yeah. But they are very easy.
The whole Gond art is only very easy. It's not difficult at all.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing?
No, darling, I cannot see anybody's drawing today. We are so many that I cannot see. And put yourself on mute. You send me the picture. I will see the picture, darling. Okay? Send me separately because I have locked the group. I don't want anybody to send me picture today. Sorry, incomplete work on the group today. So I have locked the picture group. See, we are making like leaves.
Ma'am, the one you're making right now, the leaf kinds, we are supposed to do parrot green and yellow alternate, right?
Yes, but if you don't have, then like somebody suggested, she's doing in yellow.
Ma'am, may I leave because I'm done with the painting?
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
actually I'm doing with color
Bye.
pencils because paints I'm not able to do that design. So on color pencil, dark green, what color should I do?
Dark green, you can do dark blue or black.
Okay. Or should I do light green over there?
You see which color is visible on the dark green, okay? It depends on the color which is visible. Yes, Peter.
To create, I got an idea. The parrot green cannot create, but a very light green is parrot green. It's similar to light green. So we can just add a drop of a dark blue and yellow. So I
Yes.
think it.
Yes, that is also there.
Excuse me, Vandana aunty.
Yes.
I have one more class, so can I leave?
Yes, please.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
how to make parrot green?
Ma'am, can we use toothpicks to make dots?
Yes, you can. See, I'm using the back side of brush.
Ma'am, is that black or blue?
It's black.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
can I use another color for the mama fish body, or I need to use the same color you have used?
Ma'am, there's a lot of light falling on your painting.
Yes. I will prefer you to use the same color But if you want to use, then I have no say.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to make parrot green?
Dark green and light green, or blue and yellow. Okay, and now the black color here in between, just to make it little bright.
Ma'am, these dots come out well with that nail art tools.
No need. See the back side of brush and vertical. Perfect.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Actually,
Because
I had at home, na.
yeah,
That
I
is
don't
the
want
reason I used it.
yeah, I don't want children to use tools. I'm teaching them how to use this.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
what is the color of baby fish?
1 minute. Let me finish mama fish. Now see children, here we are going to do dots. If you have dotting tool, very good. If you don't have, children, learn this way. You can even use a toothpick, children. Toothpick will give you very beautiful small dots.
You're doing dots.
Ma'am,
What else?
I'm using the pin lid.
I'm doing dots, children. You can see I'm doing dots. I'm just dipping the paint in the black, brown color, burnt sienna. I know because many of you don't have dotting tools.
Ma'am, I don't have burnt sienna, so can I use another brown?
Yes, use any brown. Any color which is visible on yellow. Actually, children, you know, villagers are using the sticks, the twigs.
Yes, ma'am, because the tips are pointed.
They don't have dotting tools and all.
Neither do I have paint brushes.
So now after this, we will make one mama baby fish. See, my yellow is not yet dried.
Vandana aunty, can I leave the class?
Yes, please.
It's not
Bye.
yet completed, but I'll complete it.
Yes,
Bye.
bye. No, our mama fish is also completed. So no tension. Now, just I will teach you one small fish and then I will also leave the class.
Ma'am, if we do one fish, then we have to do the same color on all the fishes.
It's better you
Small
do,
fishes.
but your wish.
Ma'am, can I do dots with black color?
Yes.
Mom, which color dots do you put in the big fish white
I
strips?
have put beta white strip, I have put black.
Black. And mom, on yellow burnt.
Yeah, on the yellow it's dark brown.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have the normal red. So can you tell me how to create maroon?
1 drop of black color.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't put too much black. Otherwise, black is very powerful. You can use any other color. No tension. See, I'm using brown only. You can also use any color.
You just do your colors because that combination is nice.
So I'm doing brown. I'm not using maroon. Yes, darling.
Like this.
I
Like
can't.
this.
I can't see, beta. You can see my work, but sorry, I cannot see, because once if I will change the focus, it is a problem for me today.
Ma'am, all the baby fishes will be of same color. Is it to create a
Ma'am, I
symphony?
don't have dotting tool. Can I use lid of the pen?
Yes, you can change the color of baby fishes. It's your wish.
Ma'am, we have to outline the baby fish with black color again, no?
Yes, everything has to be outlined with black color.
And ma'am, being a Gond painting the other day, you said it need not have a border. So then,
Actually, there is no need of border on the art. But what happened in Singapore, framing is very expensive. So we make a border type shape so that painting looks as if it is framed.
So ma'am, in that case, for border part, can we have another color and just paint it?
Yes.
Instead of giving the intricate designs.
That's your wish, purely your wish.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You have framing available at very reasonable rate. Here, minimum we have to spend $1,530 minimum. So, I teach.
That's pretty expensive.
Yes, yes, darling.
Can we use marker to outline?
Yes, if it is a permanent marker, you can use.
Oh, is it? Or we can use even pencil also, because my sister also is doing.
You are doing on paper, na? Then paper you can use anything. Paper is not a problem.
Shall I leave the class?
Yes, if you have another class, please leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, for the curved lines, instead of 3 times, can we do only 2 times?
Curved lines means, you mean this line?
No, ma'am, the one you've done in design.
Yeah, that is your wish. See, we normally do 5 times. There is a different pattern. 5 times, 3 times, 2 times. It's purely your wish, what you want. Okay? So, this is also done. And let me make dots for eye so that I will put a black color on that. Okay, now let me finish the remaining coloring and just give the dots.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, can I leave? My mother has to take the laptop. She has a
Yes.
class.
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am.
From which color are you doing the fin and face of the baby fish?
I got green. What do we call it? Shiny green.
Ma'am, you're doing turquoise, isn't it?
Yes.
Ma'am, how do we make turquoise?
I got it ready-made. I don't know how to make.
Then, ma'am, can we use dark blue?
Yes, any color you wish. Okay, any color. Whichever you like.
Ma'am, which color?
But then dark on dark will not be visible.
Better to use some light color. But if she wants to use dark blue, let it be.
Ma'am, which color did you use for the small fish's body?
I use a shade of brown. Okay. So now last two.
Ma'am,
Yes, bache.
I've made the color you are doing on the small fishes.
This is a shade of bright turquoise.
Ma'am, can I do yellow in place of in the
Yes, you can use any color.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I use
can I show the color you created?
brown color in babyfish wings?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can I use yellow color in the faces of the little fishes and the dots in yellow color?
Yes. Please put yourself on mute. Please put yourself on mute. Who is unmuted?
Ma'am, can I leave it class?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. See you on next Tuesday.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Our painting is also ready.
Ma'am, every Tuesday it would be the same password and ID.
Sometime I change. Sometime I
Please
change.
post it on 3B because I will be coming for this also.
Okay. But every Tuesday we are not doing something new. Like sometime we just like I don't know. I have not yet planned what we will make next week. So anyway, if I'm doing something unique, I will post.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I will surely join.
Thank you. What's your name, please?
Ma'am, Nisha Bhagwate.
Okay. Because I'm not able to see anybody right now.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, 3B.
Yeah. So, bond art is purely dashes and dots and this three lines. 3 line, 5 line, 7 line, like that. Not like too many things in Madhubani. Okay, and now I have to give outline to all this. So I will start with this fish. This recording I will post on this group. So if anybody wants, send me message separately. Then I will post on the other group. Because it's children's recording, non-stop talking.
Madam, can you post it for 3C group?
Others should not laugh because it is just the children's work.
If that is the problem, can you send me 1-to-1 also?
No, I have no problem because I know they are children. They are my.
I also understand.
They are my lifeline.
Even children work is very attractive. I want to do. Can learn, no? In learning, I am a child, madam. Newcomer to you.
Same here. I also am. I'm still learning. Lots of things I'm learning.
No. Don't be so humble.
No, I'm seriously learning. Every day I learn. I'm always trying to learn new things.
I really feel lucky to get your contact and for having added me. Please send this. My name is Geeta Vishwanathan. I'm in group 3C. If you are a problem in posting to the group, you can post to my number.
No, what I will do, I will post on the YouTube.
Okay. Better. That's also good.
Yeah, ma'am, YouTube is better.
YouTube means better. I can save it also, no, from YouTube.
Save and all, I don't know. I also ask my children. They do for me.
Okay. In YouTube, madam, today?
Ma'am,
This owl work is pending. This also I will do together.
Ma'am, what's your channel's name?
Vandana's Art. You can go through and you can see lots of things there.
Ma'am, please make the painting straight. Now I will take a screenshot.
No, let me complete it. Then I will make. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I have other things to do, so I will just finish it now. After this, I have to do other things.
That's also kids class?
Tomorrow is also kids class, same password, same. So they will also do something interesting.
Okay, I am ready to join.
Yeah, please.
This is orange or red?
It is red color. Please put yourself on mute. This border is just to beautify it. It should look like a complete painting. Gone paintings don't have border. Normally people get them framed. Hold your breath, count.
Ma'am, can we use our favorite fish color?
Yes, you can use any other color, whichever color you like. Okay? No problem. You can use any color. We do the sides especially because it's a common trend here. Even the big canvas we do the sides. We don't leave it incomplete so that directly as it is, it can be hung on the wall.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
is it compulsory to do the same design for the mama fish as you do?
It will look nice, what I have done.
Okay.
It's your wish, what you want to do.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Final decision is always yours.
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am, because my sister also is doing. She's with me here. That's why I asked. She wanted to ask something.
Yeah, you can draw something simple. So with this, it is over. And I will also take a picture because I have to post on the group.
I made burns in a color with mixing black and orange color.
It's okay, beta. If you have used some other color, it's okay. How to keep it so that I get. Okay, so with this, I'm ending the class. See you all next week. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.